Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be adding the Polygon or the Matic network. So let's stick around to the end. Today's video is going to be very fast and won't take any time of your valuable time. So let's get started right into it. So first of all, make sure you download Metamask. All you have to do, head to Google, search for Metamask. You'll find links down in below. Click the first link and click download. Whatever browser you're using, probably Metamask supports it. So after doing that, click on your extension, click on the three dots on the top right side and expand view. You're good to go from now on. So basically we're gonna add the Polygon network. So we head to this line right here, we click add network. So the default network you're gonna be with is the Ethereum because it's the most famous network. I'm gonna click add network. After that, I go to Google. Simply all you have to do then, I'll go search Polygon RPC URL. As you can see, it's right in front of you on the screen, and I will click this link right here and it will be providing me with all of the details I have, as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna call it Polygon. You can call this whatever you want, and then I'll come right here. It's polygon-rpc.com, polygon-rpc.com, and let's not forget to add the HTTPS protocol at the start. The chain ID is 137. Is gonna be Matic, the symbol, and the blockchain explorer is just something optional. It's not something you have to add. All you have to do is write this Polygon, as you can see, and scan polygonscan.com. and yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. All you have to do then save, and if you have any tokens or anything, you will see them right here. They're pretty simple. You can hit import tokens, copy the token contract address, and yeah, with that said, I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Tell us what you think about all of this in the comment section. Tell us what networks you'd love to see in the upcoming videos, and peace.